thunderstorm watch! It hasn't gone off because I wasn't changing the backlight. There it is! Severe thunderstorm watch!
8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
New voice!
This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Allegan, Barry,
No poop!
Twin Van Buren,
Stop it!
Michigan, South Haven to Holland,
It went off!
Michigan, Lake Michigan, South Haven to Holland, Michigan, 5
still
nautical
talking to
miles
Dad?
offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan
Okay.
from St. Joseph to South Haven,
Recording
Michigan,
is
5
done.
nautical miles
I'm
offshore to
recording!
Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe
Sorry.
thunderstorm watch means the conditions are
guys.
favorable
Messed
for the
up
development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds
Can't
in
redo it.
and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen
Missed
for
the
later
first part of-
statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WWF 34 in Plainwell.
Well, it only
Transmitting on
took
a
about 5
frequency of
minutes.
162.475
That's not
megahertz.
very good. So basically, sorry about that, guys. I was changing the backlight to normal because I didn't want to waste my battery, and then it just started recording, or it just started going off, and I missed the first tone. And my iPod was just in this orientation on video because I thought, oh, when I hear the first tone, I just do this and start recording. But no, I messed up. It came on too quickly. Didn't want to miss any more tones, so I just pressed record and it's in portrait. Sorry, guys. I promise no more videos will be in this orientation. But yeah, severe thunderstorm warning. Watch for my county until like what? 6?
Overnight.
Oh, now let me check. Still on. It's still on this right here. So, oh, it took 10 minutes for it to be issued. But yeah, it went off on my iPad. So I'm just gonna FaceTime my dad because I told him I would tell him if anything happened. Bye-bye.